Hello guys, nice to meet you again. And how are you today? I'm very fine. And how about you? Yes, listen, today we learn the consonant sound. This consonant sound is very difficult. And if you study hard, I think you can do it. I can do it. We can do it. Are you ready? Yes, let's get started. Is the and voice sound. For example, help, help. Picture, picture. Picnics, picnics. That picture is very beautiful. B, b. Is voice sound. B. For example, bank, bank. Body, body. Baby, baby. For example, sometimes I go to school by bike. It's the and voice sound. For example, talk, talk. Take, take. Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry. For example, in my free time, I like watching Tom and Jerry. Yes, right? D, d, d. It's voice sound. D, d. For example, do, do. Dog, dog. Dinner, dinner. For example, I have dinner at 7 p.m. I have a dinner at 7 p.m. It's the and voice sound. You focus my mouth. For example, chair, chair. Chip, chip. Lunch, lunch. For example, I have lunch at 11 a.m. Z, 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 z. It's voice sound. Z. Jump, jump. Jazz, jazz. Jacket, jacket. For example, I have a beautiful jacket. It's a voice sound. For example, homework, homework. Keep, keep. Coat, coat. For example, say I want to become a good coat. I want to become a good coat. G, g, g. It's its voice sound. For example, go, go. Gift, gift. Girl, girl. For example, I'm a beautiful girl, right? Yes. It's a voice sound. You focus my mouth, my lips. For example, fine, fine. Fan, fan. Funny, funny. For example, say I'm a member of Meetum fan club. I'm a member of Meetum fan club. For it is voice sound. For example, leave, leave, save, save, voice, voice. For example, I will save money for studying English. It is and voice out. You focus my mouth, my tongue, my tongue. My tongue is front of. For example, think, think, thanks, thanks, thanks. Thursday, Thursday. For example, sentence: I have a picnic on Thursday. Is it voice out? For example, this, this, vast, vast, there, there. For example, there are 4 people in my room. There are 4 people in my room. In my room. It's a voice out. For example, see, see. Silent, silent, silent. Seaside, seaside. For example, keep silent and listen to me. Keep silent and listen to me. Zzz, zzz. It is voice out. Zzz, zzz. For example, zoo, zoo. Zombie, zombies. Easy, easy. For example, sentence: in my free time, I like play zombie game. Shh, shh. It's a voice out. Shh. For example, sweet, sweet, so, so. For example, sentence: sure, sure. For example, are you my boyfriend? I'm sure, I'm sure. Z, z, z. It's voice out. Z. For example, visual, visual. Conclusion, conclusion. Television. For example, sentence: I want to buy new television. Easy, very easy. For example, mom, mom, mine, mine, man, man. For example, sentence: my boyfriend is a good man. My boyfriend is a good man. For example, not, not. Nice, nice, nice. Noisy, noisy, noisy. For example, today is a nice day. Today is a nice day. mm, mm. For example, sing, sing, song, song, jump, jump. For example, sentences. I can sing anytime, anywhere. For example, hat, hat, hot, hot, hurry, hurry. For example, today is hot, today is very hot. You see my tongue raised up. For example, lunch, lunch, London, London, life, life. For example, mommy. For example, my mom is very important in my life. For example, raise, raise, rich, rich, rain, rain. For example, I want to become a rich and famous person. For example, wine, what, when. For example, sentences. Why won't you talk to me? Why won't you talk to me? Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For example, yes, yes. Yellows, yellows. Judge, judge. For example, I like yellow color. I like yellow color. Yes, that's it. Lesson today is finished, and I hope you have a interesting lesson. And thank you for the watching. Goodbye.